Hi, how's it going everyone? My name is Ram and today I'm gonna show you on how to shop at Amazon.com. This is gonna be a straightforward video. I'm gonna give you all the details about the page. So, well, first things first, what you have to do is to create a new Amazon account. So just go ahead and jump into the video. So let's go to the Amazon page. Of course, it's gonna be Amazon.com for US. If you live somewhere else, you may want to check if Amazon has a specific page for your country. If you live in the UK, there is Amazon UK, which is gonna be really simple. Amazon.uk. If you live in India, they're in a specific domain or marketplace for India. So you may want to check that up first. But if you want to purchase in the Amazon US page, which of course is the biggest marketplace for Amazon. So let's just go ahead and get started here. Straight off the bat, of course, that what you need is an Amazon account, which is gonna be really simple. Just have to click here and then start here, and they're gonna ask you for your name, email, password, and re-enter password. I'm gonna create one real quick to show you how simple it is. So let's just go ahead and type in a random email, random password, enter the password, create your Amazon account, and they're gonna send you a one-time password. So as soon as you see this, you'll have to open up a new tab, open up your email here, and then just copy the 6 digits code, go back to this tab and paste the code. Alrighty people, so now that you have an Amazon account, what you have to do is to know how to search. This is really basic, but I know that there are some people that actually don't know about this. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over that real quick. So here you have what is called a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type in whatever you want, and where it says all, this is a filter. So if you click on it, you'll have all the options. Let's say that you want to buy a video game, so just click on it and write whatever game you want to purchase. Let's say that you want to purchase this game, so you'll have all the options available. Now that you have an account, just make sure that you see your name here. If you do, that means that you are signing correctly, and we're gonna continue with the order here. So now that you know how to search, it was really basic, but now that you know, I'm gonna explain something really important before you place the order, and that's gonna be Prime. So if you want to sign up for Prime, I would recommend you to do it anyway, even if you don't want to pay it. They have a 30 days free trial, which is gonna be really helpful, because there are two good things about Prime. Of course, the first one is free shipping, which is gonna save you money at the end of the day, and then you have 2 days shipping. So if you live outside the country, that's gonna help you a lot, because I know that when you are outside the country, shipping takes a lot of time. But even if you are in the US, you will get the item in 2 days. Well, remember that Prime is 2 days shipping, it's not 2 days delivery, which means that there are some items that's gonna take a little bit more than 2 days, but it's gonna take 2 days after they ship the item. So that's guaranteed. If you see that the item shipped, that means that you will get it in 2 days. Some items, depends on what you buy, may take a little bit longer to be shipped, like an extra day or so, but that's it. So you don't have to worry if you don't receive the item in 2 exact days, but you will get it in 2 days after they ship it. That being said, if you want to apply for the free trial, you just have to click here where it says try Prime and get started, and they will ask you for payment method. Just add your card. That's gonna help you a lot, because after you add your card, you will be able to place the order with the card you added. It's gonna help you to place the order eventually. And after you sign up for the free trial, this is optional, right? You don't need Prime to place an order on Amazon. It's free. Amazon is completely free. It's just that it's gonna take a little bit longer to get the items, and you will get free shipping only on orders that are more than $25. So you don't really need Prime, but it will be a waste of money or time if you don't take advantage of the free 30 days. Just remember to cancel the membership, otherwise they're going to charge you, and you'll have to call customer service to have them cancel the membership or get a refund for the month, whatever. But you can get a refund, so that's another thing. If you forget to cancel Prime, don't you worry, you can call customer service and they will just cancel the membership and they will issue a refund for whichever months. If they charge you and you didn't use the benefits, they will give you a full refund. If you did use the benefits, that's a different thing. They will give you either a partial refund or full refund. So that being said, now that we have a Prime account or whatever, if you don't, that's fine. We're gonna show you how to place an order here, which is really simple. So in order to place an order, we have this thing here. Let me see what is on my card. Okay, I don't know why I have this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Alright, so this is the shopping cart. Whenever you want to place an order, well, when you want to place multiple orders, you are not gonna do it one by one. You will put all of the items in the shopping cart, and then at the end you will place the order for all of the items. So let me show you how to do that real quick. Let's go here. Let's put some items on the shopping cart. Let's say that you want to purchase a TV. All right, so we have let's pick. Let me see here. Let's pick this cube. All right, so this cube is $119.99. So we have two options. We can buy the item now. I'm just gonna place the order immediately, of course, and then we can just go ahead and add it to the shopping cart. They're gonna ask me for these things that we don't really need. This is a complete waste of money, so don't buy this. And then we're gonna add it to the shopping cart, so you will see a number 1 because we have one item in the shopping cart. Now we're gonna go back to the main page by clicking on the Amazon logo, and we're gonna keep searching for things, whatever, it doesn't really matter, just an example. So let's see that you want to purchase a cell phone. So we have cell phones, unlocked cell phones, carrier cell phones, whatever, and then we're gonna purchase this one, which is really cheap, $99.99. And the last one is gonna be the one that we wanted, the one for $99.99, and this is where you may want to be careful, because you see these tiny stars here on the right hand side, those are the customers reviews. This one is fine, it's 4 out of 5. Then we have this one, which is 3.9 out of 5, which is not that good, but still it's maybe not that bad. But then we have this one, which is 2.9 out of 5, which means that this is a shitty phone, and I would not recommend you. I will always listen to the ratings. So I'm not gonna mind that because there are only a few reviews, so it's not that, I mean, there's just one star, so that doesn't mean that the item is actually bad. We're gonna give it a try. First, I'm not gonna place the order, but to get the picture. So now I have 2 items on the shopping cart. So before I proceed to checkout, I'm gonna show you one of the most important things that you need to know before you place an order, and that's gonna be about who's gonna be the seller for each item. The cube all the items that all these fire TB cubes and the legs and all of that, they are sold by Amazon and they are fulfilled by Amazon, which means that Amazon is gonna take responsibility on that. If something happens to the item, they will give you a replacement, a refund immediately. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to send it back. If you don't get the package, they will give you a refund. You don't have to worry about that because it's gonna be covered at 100% by Amazon. However, there's another thing. There are some items that are not sold by Amazon. Let me check this one. So this one ships ships from Amazon and sold by Amazon. So you're cool with the phone as well. But let's look for an example. So I have a good example here. These are some random lights, but they ship and they're shipped and they're sold by this company, which is not Amazon. So the deal with this, I would not recommend you to purchase items sold by a third-party seller, because something happens to the item, you have to deal with the seller, and it's gonna take weeks. That's gonna take days. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be complicated. It's gonna be a pain. So I would recommend you to purchase these type of items only if you don't find the item anywhere else. This is the last option. So and you take the risk, because if you never receive the item, they're not gonna help you. You'll have to deal with UPS or whoever is the carrier, and that's gonna be a pain. If the item is damaged, same thing. You have to contact the seller. You have to send it back. You have to wait until they get it today so they can check that up. And I would not recommend you to purchase items that are sold by Amazon. They're not sold by Amazon. As I mentioned, the only way to know that will be by looking at the page on the right hand side of the screen. Small letters, it says ships from and sold by this seller. I don't know who they are. The item may be coming from China. It's gonna take a little bit longer. You see, December the 3rd to the 24th. So today is the 11th. So it's taking more than a month to get this item. Even if you are a Prime member, you will not get it in 2 days. So you gotta be careful. This is the most important thing before placing an order at Amazon.com. That if you want to purchase from third-party sellers, make sure that the item that is the last option. Make sure that is the really last option before you place an order with a third-party seller. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.